Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anthony here with Ants Drone, and in today's video we are going to be discussing the rumors about the DJI Mavic 3. This drone is probably going to be awesome because we saw the Mavic Air 2 and that had a bunch of new features that really made it stand out. For me personally, I'm a video guy, so I love the fact that the Mavic Air 2 shoots 4K at 60 frames per second. I'm definitely thinking that they're going to be bringing that to the Mavic 3. Another possibility is a global shutter. So with a global shutter, basically each pixel is exposed to light versus with a rolling shutter, it's a line of pixels at a time that's exposed to light, if that makes sense. Basically, the benefits of having a global shutter is you're eliminating a lot of distortion and you're capturing more information in your image. I will say that the DJI Phantom 4 Pro does look a lot nicer in terms of photos and videos, in my opinion, because it shoots 4K 60 and it has that global shutter. The reason why I like the Mavic 2 more than my Phantom is the fact that you can do more with the gimbal. It has a gimbal that rotates from left to right or right to left, and that helps with getting panning shots and very cinematic shots. So honestly, I like the Mavic 2 better for my creative purposes. So another rumor that I've read is the camera on the Mavic 3 Pro is possibly going to be removable, which means you can put different cameras on the drone, which is awesome. So you can add a zoom lens, you can add a wide angle lens, you can add whatever you need for that job. Drones are just more than aerial photography and aerial video. I actually use a lot of drones in my low level filmmaking. So when I'm like on the ground, and you can just get really cool dolly type shots like that. So honestly, drones are much more than just aerial devices. And another rumor that I read is that there might be a larger aperture, which means more light can come into the lens for better low light shots. So honestly, that would be a pretty solid upgrade, and it would be nice if the battery life was upgraded, but I feel like that probably won't happen. So the Mavic 3, I really do think that the design could change a little bit, but it's still gonna look like a Mavic at the end of the day. The Mavic is honestly an iconic drone, and I'm really excited to see what DJI is going to do with the Mavic series moving forward. We have gotten the DJI Mavic Mini, we've gotten the DJI Mavic Air 2, so the Mavic 3 is definitely gonna be the next drone, most likely. I shouldn't say definitely, but most likely will be the next drone that comes out. And you know, it depends. I've heard that it could come out in December of this year, but who knows what's going to happen. I mean, we've had this global pandemic, and you know, I don't know what DJI is going to do. And on top of that, the Mavic 2 is a very popular drone still. The Hasselblad camera on it shoots amazing photos, amazing video, and it's a very solid device. So even if they introduced a Mavic 3, I think that the Mavic 2 would still be a relevant drone. And I don't know if DJI is going to make the business decision to release a brand new drone to counter another drone that's already popular. The Mavic 2 is a very solid drone. So I have the Mavic 2 Pro. I can't really speak for the zoom because I've never used a zoom before. If there's a removable gimbal and camera, there won't need to be two different drones like how they have it right now with the Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom. So it'll be interesting to see where DJI takes this drone. Anyway guys, I just wanted to share my thoughts and just some of the things I've read online. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you're alerted when I create new content. I'm actually trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, so any support will help, honestly. Thank you guys so much for watching. Anyway guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace out.